Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the world of car detailing. Buckle up, because today I'm taking you on a ride through the ins and outs of turning your car from meh to magnificent. We'll explore some epic fails and fantastic wins along the way. First off, let's talk about the exterior. It's the first thing people notice, and it sets the tone for the rest of your car. Your car's paint job might look like it's been through a sandstorm, but fear not. With the right tools and techniques, you can bring it back to life. Grab yourself a bottle of the finest car shampoo you can find. Not your regular shampoo. Using the wrong products can do more harm than good. We're talking about the special stuff here. Car shampoo is designed to be gentle on your paint while effectively removing dirt and grime. Start with a good rinse. This helps to remove loose dirt and debris, making the washing process easier. Think of it as your car's version of a refreshing shower after a long day at work. It's a crucial step in the detailing process. Blast those dirt particles away like they're your Monday morning blues. A high-pressure washer can make this job a breeze. Now, get a microfiber mitt and start washing. This is where the magic happens. Remember, it's like giving your car a gentle massage, not scrubbing it like you're cleaning your burnt lasagna dish. Next up, the wheels. They often get neglected, but are just as important. Ah, the wheels, the unsung heroes of your car. They take you places and deserve some love too. They deserve some love too. A clean set of wheels can make a huge difference in the overall look of your car. Use a dedicated wheel cleaner. These products are formulated to break down brake dust and road grime. And trust me, you'll need a brush that looks like it came straight out of a wizard's cleaning kit. These brushes can reach places your hands can't. Get in all those nooks and crannies. It's these details that make the difference between a good clean and a great clean. If you find a penny down there, congrats. You're now 1 cent richer. Time to dry up. Drying is just as important as washing. No, don't use your mom's old towel. It can leave scratches and lint on your car's surface. Invest in a good drying towel. These towels are designed to be super absorbent and gentle on your paint. It's like a giant sponge that soaks up all that water. A good drying towel can make the process quick and easy. Think of it as a super absorbent superhero cape for your car. It's the final touch to make your car shine. Now, let's tackle the interior. Start by decluttering. A clean interior can make your driving experience much more enjoyable. Got crumbs in the crevices? They can be a pain to remove, but with the right tools, it's a breeze. A small vacuum with attachments is your new best friend. These attachments can reach all those hard-to-get places. Use a leather cleaner and conditioner. These products help to clean and protect your leather seats. Think of it as giving your seats a luxurious spa treatment. They'll look and feel amazing. And don't forget the dashboard. It's often overlooked but can make a big difference in the overall look of your interior. Use a cleaner that's safe for plastic and vinyl. These surfaces can be sensitive to harsh chemicals. Buff it up until it looks like the cockpit of a spaceship. A clean dashboard can make your car feel futuristic. Finally, the piece de resistance, the glass. Clean windows can make a huge difference in your driving experience. Use a streak-free glass cleaner. This ensures you have a clear view without any annoying streaks. A clean windshield is like having an HD screen for your driving experience. It makes everything look clearer and brighter. And don't forget those side mirrors. They're like the car's ears. They need to be cleaned to listen properly. Clean mirrors can improve your safety on the road. And there you have it. Your car is now the shining star of the parking lot. A clean car not only looks good, but also feels good to drive. Enjoy the admiring glances. And remember, a clean car is a happy car. A well-detailed car can make every drive feel like a special occasion. Until next time, keep those engines roaring and those cars sparkling. Happy detailing, everyone.